We're going to demonstrate context-sensitive animated help. The demonstration uses a simple interactive program called Directory Tree running on a Sun workstation. Directory Tree displays a Unix directory structure as a tree. Each node represents a directory, and a link represents a directory-subdirectory relationship. A directory's content can be seen by clicking the right mouse button while the cursor is on the directory and choosing Open from the pop-up menu. The content of the directory is then displayed as a window. Double-clicking on a directory also opens the directory. A file can be selected by clicking the left mouse button while the cursor is on the file. The file is then highlighted. A file can be copied to another directory by dragging the file to another directory. Help is invoked with the Help button to the right of the directory tree. In this prototype, just 4 kinds of help are available. To show the use of animation, let's request help on how to select a directory. An icon of a 3-button mouse is used to represent the Sun's 3-button mouse. Clicking is shown by enlarging the corresponding mouse button to simulate pressing the button. At the end of the animation, the user is asked whether to keep the changes which have been performed as part of the animation or to restore the original context. Each help request has a script plus preconditions which need to be satisfied before executing the script. Satisfying these preconditions may result in both adding more actions to the animation script and selecting appropriate objects for the animation. This is all decided at runtime based on the user's current context. To show how context is used, let's ask how to open a directory. If there is a selected directory, the directory tree program assumes the user is interested in opening the selected directory. Help is then shown on how to open it. If there is no selected directory, help will arbitrarily select a directory for opening. When help on how to select a file is requested and no file is present, the help system invokes the How to Open a Directory script to make sure there is a file to be selected. A short explanation of its reasoning is shown in the message box below the animation. Help then shows how to select a file from the just opened directory. A precondition for help on how to copy file requires that 2 directories be open. One is the source to obtain a file, and the other as the destination for the copy. If only one directory is open, it will become the source directory. Right now, the selected file will be used to demonstrate how to copy a file. Since there is a selected directory, help opens it to satisfy the precondition. Notice that the destination directory, once it's opened, covers up the selected file. Help needs to make the selected file visible by selecting the source directory window. Again, the explanation is being displayed in the message box. Help shows how to copy the originally selected file to the just opened directory. Another precondition for copy file help is that there be enough visible space in the destination directory window into which to drag a file icon. When copy file help is requested from the state shown on the screen, help shows how to move the top window away, then shows how to copy the selected file. This demonstration has shown the use of animation to provide help on top of the actual interface of the application. Help preconditions allow online assistance to be tailored to the user's specific context while performing real tasks. We are now integrating the help concepts shown in this prototype into UIDE, the User Interface Design Environment, to provide a general framework for automatically creating animated, context-sensitive help.